Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. As you can tell by the title of this video, I'm going to be showing you how I customize this synthetic gray wig to look as natural as possible. These are some of the things that the wig came with, and without further ado, if you want to see how to customize and slay your synthetic wigs, then just keep on watching. So this is what the inside of the cap is looking like so far, and it has combs and adjustable straps, but as you can see, this part of the adjustable strap did break. And here I'm using this spray concoction that I made from brown hair dye, warm water, and salt. It's a lace tint spray, and I just used a regular dollar spray bottle from the beauty supply store. They can find it any local beauty supply store or Walmart, and I'm just spraying it all over the lace to tint the lace. finally customized the hair to how I want it to be. I added some baby hairs. They're kind of hard to see just because the gray hair, when I put the gel on it against my skin, kind of like disappears, but in person it's easier to see. You can kind of see it on camera. So I just plucked the part so it's a little bit more natural-esque, and I added some foundation, and I added my lace tint spray that I concocted. It wasn't anything special. It was just some hair dye with warm water and salt. So if you guys are interested in that, you know, just put a comment down below and like this video, and I can definitely make that video for you guys. So it actually did take a lot to like finesse this hair. Not a lot, but it took some elbow grease. This hair is very pretty. I tried to add layers to it, but I would not recommend that because this is synthetic hair, so it's not gonna lay the way a human hair wig would lay if you were to try to do the same method of adding layers, which is like using like a razor comb or something to go in and add layers, because this is the side I went in on, and it doesn't even look like I added anything. So we'll just leave that how it is. And I did brush out the hair with just a regular brush. This hair does shed, it does tangle. It's not insane or anything, and I'm not wearing it every day, so that's also gonna help the hair to last longer. So like, as you can see, I ran my fingers through it, got a little bit of shedding, but that's okay. And also for this wig, I did not glue it down or sew it down or anything like that, just because this is a very temporary hairstyle for me, and it's really hot. I don't want to glue anything to my head. Like my other wig over here is off my head, and it's a glueless wig. If you saw my other video, then you know it's a glueless wig, so I can take it on and off, which is what I want for this hair as well, because I'll probably only wear this like for a day every so often. So yeah, this is the final look. It came out really nice in my opinion. I'm not gonna be, if I were to like want to put it up in a ponytail or something, you know, extra, then I would probably for the day got to be freeze spray it down, not even the gel, just the spray, and call it a day, and you know, put a ponytail or something in this hair. So far so good. This hair is pretty good, and yeah, I will leave the link to where I got this unit down below if you guys are interested, and please stay tuned to my channel for more content by me, Mariah. That was silly, of course, it's me. Anyway, thank you so much for watching this video. Please hit the subscribe button down below and like this video if you want to see more videos from me.